How to add blur effect in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add blur effect in Canva. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is to simply have this blank page right here in Canva. So I used a 16 by 9 untitled design. However, it's up to you. Now here we're going to go to the upload section here in the left hand panel. But if you don't have the photo that you're looking for, you could also go to the element section and use the free photos from Canva. So say for example, I would like to make use of this specific photo that we have right here from Canva. Alright, so this one. Now simply click and drag the photo into the page, and there you have it. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to edit the photo. So click on the photo and hit on edit photo in the menu bar. Next, here in the left hand panel, you can actually see adjust. Okay, you can adjust the color of the photo and whatnot if you would want to, but this is not a necessary process. So let's go to the effects section and we're going to go to the blur section. So here in the blur section, we just need to drag into the intensity of how blurry we would want to have the photo. So say for instance, we want to have this kind of blurriness on the photo. What we're going to do next is to hit on the share and download the photo. Okay, so once you've downloaded the photo, the next thing that we are going to do is to upload the photo that we have blurred out. So I'm just simply going to drag the file that we have downloaded and then add another page. So in the second page, what we're going to do next is go to the elements section and look for the same photo. Drag it into the blank page. And afterwards, let's go to the upload section and also drag the photo. So here we just need to resize the photo accordingly, and it should be the same size. There. So next is that we are going to resize the specific part of the photo that we want to blur out. Say for instance, I want to blur out the center. Okay, now let's simply resize it, and there you have it. Next thing that we are going to do is we're going to go to the transparency section, and we can actually reduce the transparency, okay, to add some effects as well. Alright, there you have it. I'm just gonna have a little bit of the transparency, and afterwards let's edit the photo that we have blurred out. So what we're going to add next is a shadow. So for the shadow section, choose the glow and then simply resize it as well. There you have it. Now we have successfully blurred out the image. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful.